received a call a couple of weeks ago about a program called Student Loan Forgiveness.
Okay.
And the guy kept talking and asked me my salary and told me I qualified for this program.
Mm-hmm.
Now, he had all my information as far as my loan and most of the amount. And then he said, well, we have to get your records from the education department, so it'll be a small fee. So
Okay, but Darlene, he called you?
Yes, he
Okay.
called me.
Okay.
And when he said small processing fee, of course, it may be kind of aware. Well, the small processing fee was $700. And I'm thinking, you got to be
That's not small.
me.
Yeah.
And I'm like, if I had $700, I could pay that on my loan.
Exactly. Darlene, you sound like a smart cookie.
Yeah, he kept hearing about the $700, and I kept telling him I work for him. So if I had $700, I would not be giving it to you.
Yes.
So he said, well, you can pay half of it in 2 weeks. I'm looking at him like, okay, if I could come up with half of that, I could pay my rent.
Right.
So I finally asked, or I started asking him questions, which he never would answer.
Yeah.
And finally, I just hung up. And he kept calling me back. So I put him on my rejection list. But something just wasn't right about the processing fee of $700. That makes no sense to me.
Yeah. Sure.
And so far, I have not seen a program. Well, President Obama has signed for a student loan forgiveness program.
Right.
Well, you did the right thing, absolutely. And a lot of these sorts of, depending upon what kind of loans you had, it may be some sort of public record somewhere that people can get to. You say he knew that you had a loan and how much it was, so there could be some public records out there that have that. But when he's asking you to pay that kind of fee up front, you did the exact right thing by telling him that you were not interested and just hang up the phone. Whenever anybody calls like that, I would always ask if you were even the slightest bit interested, send you anything in writing. You're not going to discuss this sort of thing over the telephone. If you're interested, you'll call them back. But in cases like that, I think you were smart just to get rid of him.